Hello everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I want to show you how you can do a summer bag in just singles and chains. So here we are doing the handles out of just chains, and the handles are pretty long in my case. So I have 2 pieces total, and yeah, let's get started. I'll show you what I have. Here is my wool, so I tried this out a bit, and this is why it looks a bit messy, but you can still kind of see the original structure of the spool itself. So I'll start with some chains. Let's do 20 for now. So I'm using my 6mm needle. You might have noticed that it slipped 1 or 2 times, so you can use a bit bigger needle. The 6mm one is gonna make our bag pretty sturdy depending on what you want. So anyway, we are ready to continue. Let's do one more for the height, and then we can start with the singles. So let's go into the 20th chain and go around from the back and take the thread through and up and then close up. And that's basically a single crochet. So let's keep going. The reason why we are going from the back all the time is to get these little X's forming. So that's what we get from it. A bit of variation of the single crochet, but you can actually do regular ones as well if you like those better. Okay, here is the whole piece now. Last stitch. There we will do 3 singles into the same spot. So it's gonna be really tight, and the idea is to make a bow so that we can skip over to the other side and do the other side of the chains we started with. So we keep going. Here we are after our first round. Here the turning point, and then we will here do the same thing. Into the last chain, go 3 singles. Three, and now we are simply doing spiral rounds. So just keep going all around, 1 stitch at a time, and we will simply go through and do the single. So you see how it's turning to the other side, forming a semicircle. So let's just follow that, and I'll show you what I have after a while. So here is my piece for now. Some rows we have here. So you see here that I have almost a perfect square, and the little X's are easy to notice, and that was our single variation. So let's now do the handles. I have some wool left over. And with these, you can also customize the size or length. So let's start here on the side. So I did 2 stitches here, and now I'll just simply do some chains. So here are the 70 chains, the length I picked for the handles. So let's now check that we don't have any twists or knots. And we can connect this to the other side. So same spot as on the first side, that would be about 2 stitches away from the end. And you can do that with a slip stitch. And now we are continuing with 3 more stitches. And now put down and check if you have the same distance. 2 stitches, and then let's do the second handle. So 70 chains all around. So here we are, let's do the slip stitch, checking for the length and possible twists. And there goes the slip stitch. Okay, now we have our shape and we can continue. Let's do the following few stitches. Now here I will just go through the handle part by simply going around the chains for our handle. Of course you could go through, but I'm not doing that. I'll just go around this time and I'll do 70 stitches around the handle. Handle number 1 is done, so you see the difference now. And let's get the second one to look like the first one. Singles. And now we are done with this as well. We can go to the other side. So here where it's supposed to end, you see on this side we have 2 rows on the side between the handles. So we want the same on the other side now. Pull out and cut then and weave in. And we are now done. So if you guys enjoyed, feel free to shoot a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment below. And I'll see you in our next project. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye!